बात ये है कि मुझे ये नहीं समझ में आ रहा कि मेरा एरिया ऑफ इंटरेस्ट क्या है। बहुत सारे लोगों के ये क्वेश्चन भी होता है। तो आपको अपना एरिया ऑफ इंटरेस्ट जानने के लिए यू विल हैव टू रिसर्च, यू विल हैव टू हैव द नॉलेज। कितनी सारी चीज़ें ऐसी है जो आज भी मैं रिसर्च करते करते मुझे पता चलता है, अच्छा ये भी होता है। इस आउट ऑफ दिस ऑल्सो वी कैन मेक अ करियर। सो इट इज़ अ वेरी वास्ट पूल, एंड आप जितना रिसर्च करोगे उतना आपको मज़ा आएगा और उतना आपको चीज़ों के बारे में पता चलेगा। तो वही हम यहाँ पे डिस्कस करते हैं। एंड फॉर दोज ऑफ यू हु आर न्यू ऑन माई चैनल, हाई गाइस, माई नेम इज़ ज्योति महेश्वरी. And on this channel, we talk about different life experiences, career options, and if this is something of your interest, you might consider subscribing. आज हम बात करते हैं उस बारे में कि हर एक स्टूडेंट जब भी कोई कोर्स चूज़ करता है, बहुत सारे लोग हाई स्कूल के टाइम पे ही डिसाइड कर लेते हैं कि मुझे बड़ा होके क्या बनना है. बट इट्स ओके, ऑल द टाइम्स आई कीप सेइंग दिस. ठीक है, बहुत सारे लोग डिसाइड कर लेते हैं, बट देन अगेन आफ्टर सर्टेन time period, after they cross certain age, they realize that I think this was not good for me. मैंने उस वक्त ऐसा सोचा, पर अभी जिस फेज में मैं हूँ उसके अकॉर्डिंग मुझे लगता है कि आई विल बी मोर हैप्पी इफ आई चूज दिस पर्टिकुलर कोर्स. तो ये स्टेज भी आता है बहुत सारे लोगों की लाइफ में. It has come in my life as well, and that particular time is a little bit tricky and confusing, but your lessons, your experiences never go in vain. Actually आप जो भी सीखते हो ना वो कभी ना कभी आपके काम आता है. इसके बारे में हम बाद में थोड़ी ज़्यादा बात करेंगे. अभी के लिए आई विल टेल यू गाइज कि ऐसे कौन से बेस्ट कोर्सेज हैं, 7 बेस्ट कोर्सेज जो कि इस पैंडेमिक में भी उभर के आए हैं, और जिसमें स्टेप करने के बाद में अगर ये आपका एरिया ऑफ इंटरेस्ट है, आप इससे कनेक्ट कर जाते हो, यू कैन गेट अ रिवॉर्डिंग करियर, यू कैन गेट अ प्रॉमिसिंग करियर. सो द वेरी फर्स्ट course that tops my list is nothing new, but it is medical and biological sciences. If medicine is something of your interest, then it can always be a rewarding career. It is never going to go down because we have seen a situation जो हमने पहले कभी नहीं देखी थी, right? And we have seen that how the society needs the doctors, nurses, all kind of medical practitioners. They are needed all the time, no matter कितनी भी हम लोग healthy lifestyle अपनाने की चाह रखते हैं. There are situations when emergencies are there. More services of healthcare and medical practitioners, they are needed. And obviously जब हम बात करें doctors, nurses, medical practitioners की, तो even scientists and researchers are needed as well. And this can be a very rewarding career. So that is why this tops my list, number 1. So if anybody is interested in this particular area, then this could be a very good thing. All you need is an inclination towards that field. Now, what is the second course that tops my list? It has to be information technology. There is nothing, no field that we can imagine that can run without information technology, right? Technology today is running the world and it is keeping things together. In 2020, we have experienced it. Okay? And when we talk about information technology, there is so much that you guys can do in this field. It is again a very broad field. It gives you an opportunity to become a web developer. It gives you an opportunity to become somebody who handles the database. It gives you an opportunity to become a computer scientist. There are so many different things that you can experience and explore in this particular area as well. So the third course that tops my list is entrepreneurship. And why do I say that? Is because it is such a gift that you can give to a lot of people. If you have that skill in you, or if you learn that skill, and if you do good in it, you can actually create a lot of jobs for a lot of people, which is a huge deal. You are giving to the society and you are giving jobs to a lot of people, which is such a good thing to do. And you can create thoda sa money se, you can create a huge pool of money, you can create a huge investment. All you need is that skill set in you. And if you are someone jisko starting se hi बिजनेस में इंटरेस्ट है, या फिर आप में वो एक डिफरेंट इनोवेशन स्किल सेट है जो आपको लगता है कि हाँ मैं ये कर सकता हूँ. ऑफ कोर्स देयर इज रिस्क व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप. सबसे पहले हमारे दिमाग में रिस्क फैक्टर आता है, बट देन risk is everywhere today. But if you think you are somebody who has that kind of innovative ideas, and if you can make a business out of a small, little investment, then I think you must go for it. And it can actually become so big that it can blow your mind. And we have seen in the last few years that a lot of startups have come up, जिससे बहुत सारी jobs इंडिया में डेवलप हुई है, बहुत सारे लोगों को एम्प्लॉयमेंट मिली है. So that's the reason why entrepreneurship tops my list in number 3 position. Now let me talk about the next one. Can you guess what is number 4 in my list? Okay, yes, it had to be engineering. Why? I understand that engineering is one of those traditional courses that comes in our minds when we think of any courses or anything related to science. But actually ये ऐसा है कि without engineers the system will always remain broken. This is something that I read past few days back in some article, and I think it is so true. किसी भी सेक्टर के बारे में सोच लो, without engineers the system remains broken. Now I understand कि जब भी इंजीनियरिंग की बात आती है ये दिमाग में आता है कि यार इंजीनियरिंग ऑप्ट तो कर लोगे, उसके बाद जॉब मिलेगी या नहीं, बिकॉज ऑफ so many people opting for engineering. But then again, if you are inclined towards this area, if you are choosing the right thing for yourself, then it is always going to be okay. You are always going to get the opportunity. Because let's look at it in this way. Think of every possible sector and think, is it possible for this particular sector to function without some sort of engineering, some sort of engineers being there at the support? This brings me to my 5th important course for you guys, important area of course for you guys, that is finance. Yes, money runs the world, and without money, can you imagine like where we are today in the world? Was it possible to be at this position? No. So if you are someone who are good at understanding money, how money works for money, and how the there are people who give such nice financial advices, and it is not possible for everyone. It's not possible for everyone. So if you are someone interested in finance as a subject, there is pool of opportunity for you guys, and you guys can make your money work for you, and you can actually give advices to a lot of people who need it today. Brilliance of minds who are running huge businesses, they also hire financial advisors to learn money management, to actually manage their money. If you are someone who finds it interesting, then it could be an amazing opportunity for you guys. Now let me talk about the 6th best course that you guys can opt for. If you think that you have really amazing critical ability, you are really good with arguments, you win the arguments, and if you feel that you want to understand about how the whole legal system works, how the whole law works, then you guys can opt for the area that is law. Now, but the only one limitation is that not all countries have same law. The law which you have studied, you have to practice in that particular country only. That is the small limitation that is there. But then again, as long as the legal system in the world follows, law is always going to be at the top, and people who have inclination towards it, they can obviously go and opt for it. Okay? Now let me come to the 7th one, and this is the last one for today's video, but this does not mean that it has the least importance. Especially we have seen during this year in India that even the smallest businesses have been coming on the digital platforms, and it is going to actually bring a lot of opportunities for everybody who is interested in digital marketing. And when I talk about digital marketing, it again offers a huge pool of opportunities for people, and I have experienced myself a lot of different opportunities while working on these digital platforms, and that's why I would like to talk about this topic on a broader level. So let me know in the comment section कि आप में से कौन कौन interested है, so that I can plan on a series or I can plan on few videos related to this particular topic, dedicated to this particular topic. ठीक है, so I need to know in the comment section कि आप लोगों में से कौन कौन interested है. I can research for you guys and put it all together in form of a video. What you need to do is your homework you need to always do. आप लोगों को मुझे कमेंट्स में बताना है कि आप लोग अपनी तरफ से कितनी रिसर्च कर रहे हो एंड what stage are you in. मुझे बताओ, डिसाइड कर चुके हो कि क्या चूज़ करना है और क्यों, जो चूज़ कर रहे हो वो क्यों चूज़ कर रहे हो, ये मुझे कमेंट्स में बताओ. आई होप आप लोगों को थोड़ी बहुत क्लैरिटी मिली होगी और थोड़ा बहुत हेल्प हुआ होगा, राइट? तो अगर हुआ है तो let me know in the comment section so that I know that I can feel the positivity from you guys. This is all what we need today, right? तो इसी thought के साथ I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, keep smiling, stay happy,